touchy.
What is it?
I mean to rip you up.
Oh, when it goes, yeah, it's an accident sometimes.
That's fine. Welcome to
During like I don't know, starting like fall time, you can go shrimping out here.
Shrimp?
Throw a cast net out. You can get up to 10 gallons of shrimp per boat.
What?
And the shrimps are big ones.
Wow.
Freshwater
Towards the winter, they get bigger and bigger and bigger.
Oh my God.
Crazy
Wow.
big.
And like I said, just with a regular fishing license, you can get.
What about crawfish? They got crawfish?
No, well, I'm sure they
Where do
do,
you
but
find
not in
crawfish
abundance.
Here's another cheesy thing.
Louisiana.
What is that?
When it
All
will
of our
be?
selfies.
Like every winter?
Look, Maureen, did you see this one?
Every winter.
All of our selfies.
My God. So cute. Nice. So
And then
sweet.
I have one with all my dogs.
Oh.
Yeah, every winter.
Do you have napkins?
I can see now.
Same thing. And then crab traps, all them crab traps, with a regular fishing license, you can get up to 6 of them. And you have to, of course, you got to maintain. You got to come.
Just
check
spit there.
and stuff like that.
Yeah, for free.
You can't leave them for days.
And you have to avoid them with the boat, right?
Yeah.
Because
Yeah, they
the
just
prop
throw.
will...
Oh yeah, it'll wrap right around it. And ain't no telling what they got. Some of them got rope. I think they can only have rope. They used to have a chain.
What is that?
That would destroy a motor.
Rain, look behind you.
Jet.
Oh, Jet. Wait, when is this one for the shrimp thing?
It starts
Yeah,
in
it's
like
so
about
clear.
July to
July?
about November.
Okay, we need to like
Yeah, come back.
We need to do what?
to come back on that
Come back at shrimp time.
shrimp time.
What, catch some?
Yes.
No.
Yeah, it will be fun.
Yeah, you love it.
Nice.
It's fun, man.
And there's
Oh.
boats all over. Everybody's getting piles of shrimp.
Yeah, it's nice. Free shrimp.
Free shrimp.
Yeah.
Right.
It's nice with butter and lemon.
Yep.
Another thing is fun is scalloping. But you got to snorkel
That's
and then
more
you go
work.
up north, like probably another hour from here, and the water's only like 3 or 4 feet deep, and there are like little grassy areas and white sand, and then the little.
This
like,
one?
Yeah, and then
Right.
you grab
Yeah,
them
you
down
just
with
grab
the net.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Put them in ice, they open up, and then you take a spoon and you separate them, pull them out of the
Yeah,
shell.
with lemon and a little bit of
Yes, fresh
salt.
scallops,
Oh
and
my
they're
God.
the big ones are the sea, but the bay scallops are best.
Oh.
Sometimes they use stingray and they make you think they're scallops.
Yeah, you know how you go buy scallops and every one of them's the same size?
Mm.
That's stingray, and they just pop, like cook it out like a cookie cutter. That's all
Yeah.
it is.
Yeah.
You pay good money for that. It's not bad. It tastes good.
But then I'd like to know what I'm eating. If they say scallop and you want them scallops.
Oh, yes.
Stingray? Okay, I'll deal with that.
I wonder how this ranch got all the way out here.
That big tree right there. Used to be a big tree right there.
See those lily pads right there, the whole thing gets filled with food at a certain time of the
Yeah,
year.
back up inside or something.
There's some over that way. Okay, this
Are
is
these
bottom.
like little like canals?
Yeah,
You can
they
go
just
down?
they
Like a
end
small
back.
boat?
Yeah, they just end right back in there. I don't explore all of it.
Very nice.
Yeah, restaurants you can stop by and just stop at a restaurant, pull over and eat, do whatever. Gas station, marinas, general stores, you name it, it's all right here on the river.
Yeah, gas station, $6 a gallon, beer, $2 a case.
How much? 22?
No,
She's exaggerating.
It's really expensive.
It's,
super
it's
expensive.
expensive.
Because
Super.
it's convenient, you don't have to get off your boat.
Right.
Yeah.
But restaurants are pretty good around. They don't
SandBar on?
Mm.
She just got it.
Look at all this lilies out there.
Yeah.
They stay there too.
What they're getting? What they're doing? Fishing?
You know where they have the big
Yeah.
bass pro tournaments and stuff?
Oh.
They have them on this river. Like the next town down is the bass capital of the world.
This is really deep, babe.
Oh yeah. Yeah, right here it's deep.
Mm.
I wonder if
chips.
Chips.
Right behind you. Some Doritos or some Lay's.
Some Doritos.
Doritos.
I can't wait for some of that
Doritos.
food. We gotta get parked.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah, see the phone number. Yeah, see, I knew he was an
When did you discover the SandBar?
Yep. One of them.
They have sometimes it. And motors.